Finally, guys, I just discovered a free website that gives you access to almost all the paid AI tools, completely for free. It includes powerful tools like ChatGPT 5, Gemini Pro, Claude AI, Qwen 3, Grok, DeepSeek, and many more of the best AI platforms, all in one place. This site also lets you create unlimited high-quality images and even turn text into videos, making it perfect for YouTube or TikTok automation. With just this one platform, you can write prompts, generate images, and turn them into full videos, all super easily. And yes, it's a legal and safe website that can help turn your success dreams into reality. You can use it on any device, mobile, iPad, or tablet, but I'll be showing you how it works on my PC. Note, this video is not a paid promotion. I'm just sharing something valuable that I personally found useful. So let's jump in and see how it works. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for LM Arena. Click on the website and create a free account. It takes just a minute. After logging in, you'll see a simple interface similar to ChatGPT. At the top, you'll see several icons. The plus icon uploads files, the globe icon searches the web, and the picture icon creates images. You can even build websites or apps here. Let's create our first AI image. Click on Generate Image and type your prompt. After a few seconds, you'll get two images labeled Assistant A and Assistant B. This gives you two options to choose from. I prefer Assistant A because it's clearer and matches my vision perfectly. You can download your favorite image by clicking the download button. Now here's a powerful feature. LM Arena lets you battle two different AI tools against each other to see which performs better. Click on Battle, then Side by Side. You'll see two panels where you can select different AI tools. LM Arena gives you access to almost hundreds of premium AI tools for free, including ChatGPT 5, Gemini Pro, Claude AI, Qwen AI, Grok, DeepSeek, Mistral, and many more. Let me select Gemini Pro in the first panel and ChatGPT 5 in the second panel. I'll type the same prompt in both to compare results. Both AIs start generating images. Gemini is a bit faster, but let's see the quality. Looking at both results, Gemini produced a better image for this prompt with better details and colors. You can run as many battles as you want. Pro tip: if you want specific aspect ratios like 9:16 for TikTok or 16:9 for YouTube, mention it in your prompt. Otherwise, you'll get square images. Now let me show you the leaderboard. Click on Leaderboard at the top. This shows which AI tools rank best for different tasks like text generation, text-to-image, image editing, and text-to-video. This helps you quickly identify which AI to use for your project. Now comes the exciting part. Creating videos from images or text. Click on Join Discord at the top of LM Arena. Discord is free, and you can download it from the Play Store or App Store. After joining Discord and creating your account, look for channels named Video Arena 1, Video Arena 2, or Video Arena 3. I'll click on Video Arena 1. In the channel, you can see other members generating videos. To create your own, upload an image using the plus icon, then write a prompt describing how you want it animated. For example, make this character wave and smile with smooth animation. Hit enter, and your video will be ready in a few seconds or minutes. While waiting, you can check out what others are creating. The quality is really impressive. You can also create videos from text prompts without uploading images. Just type your prompt and hit enter. These video tools are perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any social media platform. So to recap, LM Arena gives you free access to premium AI tools like ChatGPT 5, Gemini Pro, Claude AI, and many more. You can generate unlimited images, compare AI tools, and create videos through Discord integration. Everything is completely free. This is honestly one of the best free resources for content creators. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more AI tutorials. Drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.